Hi everyone, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and today I have another sticky ball game for you that I call Sticky Ball Window Closer. In order to play this game, I'll have everyone stand up and get into a line. And it can be all the way around the classroom, it doesn't really matter. They just need to have an order. Who's first, next, 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 and then they need to have a back of the line in which if the person who goes is still okay, they haven't been eliminated yet, they go back to the back of the line and they'll play again eventually. So let's say I have my kids all standing around the wall, and this one is first. I also need to draw a little mark on the floor where they will throw from. So when it's your turn, you'll go here, and you just throw the ball, the sticky ball, onto the whiteboard in some way. Before we play, I need to show you and make sure the students know how to say and what it means to say up and down, left and right, left and right, okay? So let's say that I've explained that already, and our first student, go ahead, don't think too much, you just need to hit somewhere on the whiteboard. Anywhere is okay. Okay, let's say it was here. And at this point, I would ask that student, do you want up and down or left and right? And let's say that he said up and down. I'll say, okay, and I will draw a red line up and down. And then me, the teacher, I need to determine which of these two sections is smaller and eliminate it and say this is no longer a place where you can throw the sticky ball and still be in the game. Good job, Dustin. You go to the back of the line, and now it's student number 2, your turn. Throw the sticky ball, but this time you need to get it over here. If you miss the whiteboard or if you hit this section, you're out. Oh, wow. This is going to be a very quick game. Do you want up or down? Up and down or left and right?
Up and down.
Up and down again. Okay, so maybe I'll cheat a little bit and then move it here and say, okay, well now this side is out. And then, good job though, you're still in, so go to the back. Next one, your turn. Okay, good job. Up and down or left and right?
Left and right.
Okay, makes it easier. Your friend behind you has a better chance to keep going. Here you go, friend behind you. Okay, up and down or left and right?
Left and right.
Left and right. Okay, so me, the teacher, I'll say this part is out. Your turn, number 6. Wow, so lucky. Up and down or left and right?
Left and right.
Okay, so we're eliminating more of the whiteboard. Here you go, next person. Oh, you're still okay.
Up and down.
Up and down, okay. So now this part's out. Here you go, next one. Oh, you're still good. Up and down or left and right?
Ooh, up and down.
Okay, I'll cheat a little bit again and say that's what I thought. Okay, here you go. The next person in the line, oh no, is out. So that's okay. The game will continue, but that person needs to do the English task. Maybe make a sentence using whatever grammar pattern we were using recently, or spell a word, or I don't know, ask a question. But eventually we'll get down to it's so small that you're just kind of eliminating until there's only one left, and that person wins. They don't need to do the English task. Their team, let's say it was Billy, and Billy sits on this side, then I'll say, good job, the game's over, and this team is the winner. Good job, Billy saved the day. And that's how you play Sticky Ball Window Closer.